Hi, we are Inventta, a consulting company who works with innovation and strategy. In this video, we explain about the ethnographic research. As we have seen in the last video, after you identified your personas, their environment, and what you check with your stakeholders, it is time to interact with them in their real-life scenarios. It is also important to have good conversations with them. The main goal of this stage is to get insights about how people interact with things in their natural environment and the problems that they are usually facing. Let's understand better the importance of this kind of research. If you want to have an innovative thinking and provide long-term breakthrough ideas, then we need to look for deeper and less obvious patterns to inspire divergent thinking. As we have explained, extreme individuals help to reveal new insights by challenging us to rethink the more conventional ways of what we see. So, at this step, we have to recognize patterns. We need to identify not just one person's or even one type of person's worldview, but an overlapping of many people's realities together. And how can you do that? First, let's see all kinds of interviews. Here we have 7 main research interviews methods. The first one is the individual interviews. In this case, it provides a deep dive in people's behaviors. To conduct it properly, find the participant in his environment, to observe him in his context. This makes the participant more comfortable and try to eliminate audiences. Then we have the group interviews. It is a valuable way to quickly get information about a community, useful to understand the dynamics of the community and its common problems. It does not work if you want to gain deep understanding about people's beliefs, neither to find out what they really think. Now we have the immersion in context. Dive into the context of people, going to the place where they live, work, socialize. It is a good way to understand people's universe, not only intellectually, but experimentally. Try to do what community members do, and talk with them about their experiences. The next one is the self-documentation. It is a record of experiences like a diary, made by the participants. It is powerful for observing process over a long period of time or to understand the community life when the researcher cannot be there personally. The next one is the community-guided discovery. It is about recruiting members from the community itself to play the role of researcher. Thus, other participants will feel more comfortable to express their concerns. They can help to understand the meaning and motivations behind the participants' statements. We also have interviews with the experts. It is useful in cases where you need to absorb a large amount of information in a short period of time, or when others have already done a hard research on the subject. For example, if you need to collect information about new technology. Finally, we can also seek inspiration in new places. It's about searching similar experiences in other contexts. For example, an airline company can have good check-in ideas by looking at a hotel reception. Now that you know all those interview research possibilities, let's see how to conduct an interview properly. Start the interviews with easy questions. You can start by asking, "Do you usually use this stuff? Tell me your experience with something. Where do you keep it? If your interviewer says that he does not like something, ask him why. Make sure that you ask as many whys and hows as is necessary. After that, try to dive deep into the topic. Ask your interviewer to show you how they do something. Before going to an interview, you have to prepare yourself. Remember to bring papers, pencils, something to take pictures, everything that is needed to register all the information. Do not trust in your mind. Write down everything. Try to talk to people using phrases and words that are easy to understand. Besides, prepare yourself like a person who is from that environment. Besides all those interview methods, we have to remember that we can also check many information through the digital world. We can go deeper to understand trends and get information about their behaviors using social media. Now, it's time to do that with your talent. We'll help you to organize yourself. Besides, we'll share some frameworks that will help you to have your researching guide. Make sure that you do not have a questionnaire. The interview must be conducted as a dialogue. Try to be an alien. Put yourself in a position where everything is new for you. If you don't know the right questions, at least avoid the wrong ones. Do not ask, "What do you want? What products can we do for you? How would you improve this product?" When you tell stories, people usually reveal important aspects about daily experiences. And finally, in every answer, there is another question. Now it's time to go to the InfoShare stage. At this stage, you will learn how to organize all the information that you found during the ethnographic research. Thank you!